So here's the SmartLiving keypad programming with XIR200. We're going to install the programming. Go down to terminals. Go to next expansion, wireless. Set it to 1. Hit OK. Go to type. Set it to whatever type you want, in this case instant. Go down to wireless. Enroll device, set it to go down to single T sensor, hit OK, programming, push the enroll button, learns in, escape. Now when we do with the Smart League, we can have a look and see that it's not there. When we do a pull system, just need to wait for the panel to jump out of programming there. So the panel is just rebooting, so now all clear. Still no device there. When we pull from the control panel, take a bit of time here. You can now see that it's got an XIR200 in the diagram. We go to terminal configuration, real time. We can now see all the analytic there.